While creating another video, we ran into an error which warrants its own troubleshooting video. We tried to manually put some information into the Asterisk database by using database put whitelist 101. So that's database put the family, the key, and the value. But we got a warning. Couldn't execute the statement, SQL logic error, or missing a database. So let's see if there's any information here that we can use to find out some information about this database. Core show settings. So the astdb is in var lib asterisk astdb astdb. So let's go ahead and check and see if there's anything wrong with this directory, and or does it have the asterisk database, which in the old days was a Berkeley database that used key pairs, and the new one is SQLite. So let's do this guy here. So no such file or directory. So that's going to be one issue. Let's go ahead and do a locate actual SQLite. Let's see if that finds anything. Locate asterisk.sqlite. So doing a locate on astdb gives us a couple of astdb things that we have found. So we've got varlib asterisk astdb and astdb SQLite varlib asterisk. So that's going to be different from what we've got in our asterisk config file. And it shows the asterisk, the astdb is varlib asterisk astdb. So let's do cd varlib asterisk. We have a permissions issue. So let's go ahead and deal with that by changing the ownership. So chown asterisk asterisk astdb. And now let's jump back into here and do a database put whitelist 101. Okay, still didn't work. We're not sure why. So let's go back to what we were working with. So either SQL logic error or missing a database. Now there is a database there. It's got read-write permissions for the asterisk user. But if we go to the previous one, we have an astdb SQLite and an SQLite DB. Let's move both of those into the astdb directory. Yes, we'll go ahead and overwrite that one and then move SQLite DB into the astdb directory. And again, we're probably going to have a permissions issue because I'm doing this as root. Nope, it's still as asterisk there, so that's good. So let's do asterisk rv core restart now just to be safe. Database put whitelist 101. And now the database was updated successfully. So both of the SQLite database and the SQLite 3 and the other database both need to be in the directory that's specified in asterisk.conf, and they both need to be owned by Asterisk with read-write permissions for the owner. So that problem is now solved, and I can go back to working with the other video.